Now experiencing technical difficulties. Pump won't shut off with the remote. You got to kill power to it to get it to shut off. Did that last Monday night when we unloaded it. Max messed with it, worked fine all weekend. Now it's doing it again. I guess it just don't like being here. Max will be here in about 2 minutes. Show me what he did. Get it to work the last time. Well, she's stripped down, cleaned up, ready to go in the barn. Minion number 1 and number 2 were a big help tonight. So thanks to Bubbles, otherwise known as Cody, and Ryan. Ollie's out here checking stuff out. Don't know what the plan is for this weekend. A lot hinges on if we get our other motor or not. This motor is coming out. Transmission in this car, something's messed up in it. It's got to come out and get rebuilt. The little motor in that car got sold on Friday, so it's got to come out, go to its new owner. So we definitely got a lot going on this week. If we don't race this weekend, that car, the primary car, is getting a whole new body. Nose, sides, deck pieces. It's been beaten and battered. At this point in the year, let's just call it halfway through the season, we've already run more laps this year than we did all last year just running local. Because all the Mars races are 40+ laps, and I ran 40 Saturday night at Highland for the Summer Nationals. So she has taken a lot of rock beat, and a lot of these tracks we go to have rocks in them, and they do numbers on them. And you can see where all the paint's chipped off of that already from rocks. I mean, the spoiler's been beat to hell. We've been running this spoiler all year. It was brand new at the beginning of the season, and it is beat to hell. Now we understand why these cars look so rough. The touring guys, they definitely take a beating. Well, we're going to get her shoved in the barn. Sometime between last Monday and today, power went off in here, and everything thawed out in the fridge in one of the storms we've had. So that was pleasant walking into. Get that cleaned up. Well, it's Monday night, July 7th. Hope everybody had a happy 4th of July. Things have escalated quickly here. We got the whole fridge and freezer tore apart. The smell would gag a maggot. It smells so bad. Trying to clean it up with bleach and Lysol to try and get the smell out of here. And we're going to put some coffee grounds in a couple places. Well, she's put back together. That mess cleaned up. Smells a lot better. Got coffee grounds inside it. They absorb any odors that may be left. Doug is back here cleaning the pump pit out so we can change that solenoid, so we can shut the lift gate on and off with the remote instead of the circuit breaker.
Pretty gross.
Yeah. Want some Simple Green?
Yeah, I'm gonna need grease lightning, Simple Green, sponge, bucket.
Dove's got her looking spiffy in there. You can see white again.
Ready to change the part.
Okay, I'll be back in just a minute.
Okay. You seriously take advantage of mosquitoes?
The motor is gone in this one. She has gone to her new home. No more 410 motors. This motor is coming out tomorrow night. I started pumping all of the pure cool out, trying to get it all out, save as much as we can. get a jump start on pulling this dude out tomorrow night. She is lapped out. Well, I got the relay changed. Doug is putting some absorbent in there, and we're fixing the test fire. You ready to go hot and try it?
Yep. That works.
Say we got her. That fixed that.
Hand me that. Can you kick me that absorbent right there?
There is always something to be done on these things. Even brand new ones. There's always something that needs attention. Well, it's Tuesday night. I got the trailer wiped down, getting ready to mop the floor. Dave's getting all the stuff off this engine to pull it out. Ogre just got here. Max will be here in a little bit. Gonna get that one out and another one in. And it's raining. That's nice. Cool breeze now. Cool it off. It's the one that's going in there. See what shakes out here in a little bit. Some people use an engine hoist. We use a Bobcat.
Come out a little bit.
Kind of, Max, I'm like spitting on the concrete.
I know, you're good.
I don't want to bust my fucking concrete off.
Pull it, Sean.
Yeah, I mean, I know I'm good. I don't want to have an issue here.
Go ahead, Daryn. You got it.
Okay. Back up. Tilt forward. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
How's the deck look?
Keep coming.
Fine. You got plenty of room.
Keep coming.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, go ahead.
Back up. Lift straight up. There you go. Just hang right there for a minute.
It's got motor mounts on it.
Oh, you almost got it.
Putting flywheel on.
Line the holes up.
Yeah, I thought it did, but I don't
I'm telling you, they're off. It's a
Dude,
bitch.
this is fucking retarded.
Yeah, you got to get them exact. They're totally not straight.
They're totally not
I
straight.
don't know why the fuck you would buy this thing. That's perfect, right?
Is that the Bren one?
Mm-hmm.
That's,
Yeah, you got to line them holes all up.
no, that's the
it.
burnt one, I think.
I mean, you think you got it, you'll be a hole off. It'd be a half a spot off. You got to check every one of them.
I know.
Oh, we almost had it. Oh.
You get it, and you think you got it, then you look at one, like a quarter of it's covered.
Good. right there.
That's it right there.
Yeah. That's the best it's gonna get, I think. We got one spot. We got 6 more to go.
Jesus, Darius.
Oh.
You didn't get that one started though, that's a problem. I'm telling you, it is.
That's a problem.
I was just getting nervous because I'm not going for that one. That one sucked.
This boat's slimy.
Oh, so close.
Look back now.
30 minutes later, we finally figured out what orientation it goes.
See, that fucking bracket's not right. That's what it is. Which one? That fucking shit. I don't have them. I can't get that started.
Finally going in.
Hey, put your camera down.
We're coming back together quickly with her. Maybe that rainbow out there is good luck for us this weekend. Trying to get her done to maybe go to Peevely Saturday night. So this motor's bigger than the one that come out. This is a 445. It's used, but it's ours, and we're gonna see how she does. Hey, maybe that's a good sign out there. She's in and ready to fire. Transmission's in, drive shaft's in. It's 9:30. Dallas is sleeping, too late to fire it up. But should be ready for tomorrow or Thursday night. Still shooting for Peevely Saturday night. That's gonna do it for this one. Hope you like what you're seeing. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. And we will catch you all next time.